This is POCO X5 5G, and in this video tutorial we would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start, I'm going to demonstrate that you can set up the fingerprint recognition option. So first of all, you will need to launch settings. Onwards, go for the passwords and security category. In here, tap at the fingerprint, unlock, rectangle or square. Then choose what backup method you would like to go alongside the biometrical one. I'll go with pattern. Onwards, set your password of choice, then re-enter it to confirm. And now we should be able to start enrolling our fingerprint. So yep, as you could have noticed by now, the fingerprint recognition sensor is located at the side power button. So in order to add your fingerprint to the system, just gradually, or should I rather say continuously, lay and lift your repeatedly yep, third time is a charm. So repeatedly lay your finger onto the sensor until the entire surface of your fingerprint will be scanned. Alrighty, so my fingerprint was added successfully. Let's just go ahead and see how well it performs, or how well this feature works. So as you can see, the screen gets unlocked without any issues at all and very swiftly, and does not react for any other fingerprint. So secure and fast. The next option I wanted to share with you in this video is how you can it's called the refresh rate, and how you can change it is by entering the settings and going into display category. So in here you'll find the refresh rate page. So you can either set it to be 60 or 120 Hertz. So as you could have noticed by this animations, or by this little preview animations, that the higher you can go, the smoother picture you get. But at the same time, if you'll opt for the higher value, your power consumption will also be increased. So if you would like to conserve battery, just go for the 60 Hertz. If the power drain is none of your concern, just crank this option up to 120. So the next option is located at the always on display and lock screen category. It is the always on display itself, so you can turn it on by enabling this switch. Then you can customize its appearance. As you can see, there are quite a lot of designs to choose from. You can even set some an entirely custom and personalized design over here. Upload the custom image from your gallery. Then choose where you would like for the clock to be positioned and what will be displayed exactly. Now tap apply, then choose this design, and as you can see, it has been applied successfully. You can also over here there are not options you can change basically, but that's whatever. So let's check how exactly our always on display looks. So as you can see, it looks exactly like that. So the next tip is rather a small one. It's how you can show the battery percentage at the status bar. So launch settings, enter the notifications and control center category, then go for the status bar section, and at the battery indicator field, just choose the battery percentage design that you would like to go with. You can either place it inside the battery icon itself, or make it visible only next to the battery icon. And fifth and final tip for today is how you can increase the amount of random access memory you've got on this device. So enter the additional settings category of general settings app, then go for the memory extension section. Choose the how many gigabytes you would like to extend your RAM amount for. You can either go with 2, 3, or 5 gigabytes. I'll go with 5. And after you will reboot your device, the changes will be successfully applied, and your system will gain a little performance boost. So that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.